So let me add on that. Hii issue ya mental health debate has been a very serious thing kwa hii generation yetu, the Gen Zs and au millennials, late millennials. Lakini nimekuja nikagundua kwamba the only way yenye we can we can help these guys ama you can help ourselves avoid this mental breakdown ni to maintain our spiritual nani, yani hiyo relationship yenye tulikuwa naona with God. You know, most of us bro, like to be honest, some of us don't pray, don't atuamkia asubuhi tunaomba, we don't go to sleep to sleep, we pray. So ile distance yenye ile closeness tulikuwa naona God imeenda mbali. So I think kwamba if we can work on being spiritual, the Muslims, kama ni Muslim, you go hard on your religion, kama ni Christian, God, like maintain your relationship na God. Si lazima uende kanisa, you can maintain it on your own. Like it can help, kwa sababu at the end of the day, hadi July pia mimi nilikuwa na some issues, nilikuwa na breakdown kabisa. I had lost a very close person, so ilikuwa inani affect mentally. And I was speaking to one of our nani, nilikuwa nikiongea na one of our, sasa tulikuwa tumesave a group wenye tunaenda, we go, you speak and wana help to get up on that shit. So they told us kwamba you guys, you need to connect back to God.